Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our channel Let's Learn Automation. And in this session, we are going to see the first program. Actually, in a previous session, we have seen how to create a project and how to create a first program. And in this session, we are going to understand each and every word of that particular program. So for that, we have already created the two project over here, but I will delete the project 2 that is not required. So like this. And in this project I will create a new package and will name it like sample programs, and here I will create a new class and will name it like first program. And here we require the main method, so I will check on this and finish. So this is our class. This is not required because this is the commented line, we already know that. Now we'll try to understand the every little things about this program or this simple program. So let's focus on the first thing, package. So let's understand the package first. Basically package, public, class, public, static, void, all are in a brown color, so these are called as a keyword. So it is keyword. And this is class because we have created this is the class, so that's why it's in a blue color. Even this is also class, so class is in a blue color. So these are the keywords which are in brown color and the classes are in a blue color, we can say that. So package is the keyword, and it means that this is the name of the package. Okay, so this is package is a keyword, and this is, we can say that, package name. So let's try to write down this too. Package, why user defined package? Because we have created this package. This package is not provided by the Java, but we have created the sample package. We have created the project, then we have created the sample project, so that's why it is user defined package. Then here let's write down this like, and this is the name of the package or user defined package, then this is the semicolon. Let's try to understand public now. So again, as public in a brown color, so we can say that it is a keyword. Okay, so we'll write down it is a keyword, but basically its meaning is like, we can say that it means we can access this class from anywhere in the project. Just like we have the public property like railway station, bus stand, so in that public property anyone can go. In the same way, from the project anywhere, this particular class can be accessible from the project, so that's why it should be public. So it is what the public will try to understand what is public, what is access specifier in more detail. So this is keyword, and it is also called as a access specifier. Then we have the next word like class. So it is a keyword. It is a keyword, nothing else. Class is the class. And then we have this one. So this is the name of the class. So this, we can say that this is user defined class. This is user defined class. After this we have public, we have already taken. Then static. So actually it is used to access main method without creating the object. So basically what happened when whenever JVM tried to run this program, so it searched for the main method and it searched for the main method which is static. So static mean to say that we'll try to understand this later, but just for an intro information, I'm just explaining this, that whenever any method is static, so this is the main method. Whenever any method is static, then there is no need to create the object to call that method. So that's why main method is a static, by which whenever JVM wants to call or whenever program needs to be run and main method is going to call, at that time there is no need to create the object. So that's why main is a static and that should be static only. So it is used to access the main method without creating the object. That is the meaning. So while running the program, there is no need of object to run the main method. Then we have void. Again, it is a keyword, but it is return type. Actually, it is return type and it is return type of this main method, and it means null or nothing. It means null or nothing. So basically main is a return type because main method, this method is not going to return anything. So what is return, what is how that is going to return, that we will understand it later, but just try to understand the main method. Void is a return type of main method that is not going to return anything. Then we have main. So actually main is a method, we already come to know that, but this is very much important method and it is called as a, it is predefined method and very important too. Why it is important? Because every Java program execution starts from main method, because every Java program execution starts from main method. So that's why it is very important method. We cannot run any program without main method, any Java program without a main method. Then we have next one, strings. So we already know that it's in a blue color, so that's why it is class, but it is predefined class. What is predefined? Even we have I have write down predefined over here because main is a predefined method. We haven't write down this main method, it automatically arrive. Even we haven't write down the string, it automatically arrive with the main method. So that's why it is predefined method and it is predefined class. We haven't created this class, we have created the first program class, but we haven't created the string class over here. Then we have args. So it is variable, or we can say that it is also called that argument, which can pass the information. So basically args is called as a variable or argument which can pass the information for further process. Then this is all about until this, but if we write down any statement, so let's try to understand that too, like system.out.println and hi. So here we have system. Again we can see the system is in a blue color. Okay, so we can say that I can copy this, it is predefined class. Okay, because it's in a blue color, so it is a predefined class, and we can say which contain many methods, which contain many method. Then we have it's then we have out. So it is output stream which is going to accept the data. So out is the output stream. So it is going to accept the data, and that accepted data is provided to the println. So then lastly we have println. This is again predefined method which is going to print the data, which is going to print the data which is provided by the output stream. So this is the meaning of all the words we have in a program. So again, package, public, class, static, void, all are the keywords because these are on the brown color. And one more thing is that semicolon we have to mention. So semicolon. So every, we can say that every statement is terminated by semicolon. Actually, every statement is terminated by semicolon. If we haven't do this, then we'll got the error. So let's try to understand everything again. So package, public, class, static, word, these are the brown color, and this is called as a keyword, and this is are the reserved word. We cannot use this keyword for creating the package, then class and method name. So that's why these are called as a reserved word. Then sam package is the keyword we know. Then sample program is the name of the pre user defined package because we have created this. That's why it is called as a user defined package. Then public is the keyword and access specifier. We already know this, so let's delete this. So public is a access specifier. It means that we can access this class from anywhere in the project as it is a public. So from anywhere in a project we can access this class. Then class is a keyword. Then first program is the user defined class because we have created the class. Then the class started from here, that is the opening brace, and here we can see that, like, just look at this one and this one. Just look at this, the ending one and this one. If I click on this, then you can see the bracket over here means what, the start of class over from the class start from here and ends here. Okay, if I click on any other site, then that box uh, is just disappear. Okay, and this is what the method, like public static void main, this is the method and it start from here. So again, look at this one and this one. If I click on this, then the bracket or the box is come over here. So the main method start from here and end here. It means that. So if I click on here, the box will come here. If I click on here, the box will come here. So like this it will happen. Even if I click on here, the box will come here. If I click on here, the box will come here. So it will show the start and end of the class and method. So we have done this. Then public we know. Then static is the word, or it is also a keyword. It is used to access the main method without creating the object. So whenever JVM try to find out the main method, at that time it should get the main method directly. There is no need to create the object of main method to call it. So that's why it is declared as a static. So whenever JVM wants to whenever we want to run the program, JVM is going to run this main method. At that time there is no need of any object to run this method. Then void is a return type of method, of main method, we can say that, which is mean null or nothing. Main is a predefined method and it is very important because the program execution start from here itself. Then string is a predefined class, it also having the many method. Then args is a variable argument which can pass the information, that is not important for us. Then system is a class which have many methods. Then out is output stream which is going to accept the data which we provided over here. And println is a method which is going to print the data which is accepted by the output stream. And every program is terminated by the semicolon. Now you can say that why semicolon is not present over here or here, because these are not the statement. This is the start of class, this is the start of method, so that's why semicolon is not present over here. And this is the end of method, end of class, so that's why semicolon is not present over here. So semicolon is present at the end of every statement, not at the end of end of or start of any class or method. So this is all about the uh, every word present in a simple program. Thank you.